Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will discuss and learn atoms and its fundamental particles, that is electron, proton and neutron. So let's start by a statement. There is everything made up of atoms. But what atoms made up of? We know that matter is made up of atom, and without atom matter is nothing. So matter consists of very small particles. These are called atoms. Now we will discuss the atoms made up of. We know that there are about 118 elements are discovered so far, and these elements are made up of atoms, and each atom consists of three fundamental particles. That is, atom consists of three fundamental particles. That is electron, proton and neutron. Electrons are discovered by J.J. Thomson. Protons are discovered by Rutherford, and neutrons are discovered by Chadwick. Now we will see their position in the atom. We know that atom consists of two parts, or atom consists of two parts or two portions. That is nuclear region and extranuclear region. The nuclear regions are called the nucleus. The nuclear regions are outside the nucleus, and nucleus consists of proton and neutron, and electrons are present outside the nucleus. In different shells or orbit. Now we will discuss how these particles are present in their positions, why they stay in their original positions. Our first question is that what is proton? Proton is the fundamental particles of atom, and it carries positive charge. Now the question is that either proton repel each other. The answer is that no, because amongst the proton there are present neutral particles, that is the neutron. Neutrons are present among the protons which stop their repulsions. That is the neutron which are present in the nucleus, and these neutrons play a vital role stop their repulsion. So the neutron play a vital role to stop the repulsions among the protons. That's why in the nucleus proton do not repel each other due to the presence of neutron among the protons, and we know that neutron carry no charge. That is neutral. Now we will discuss how electrons behave and how electrons stay in their extranuclear region. First, we know that electrons are present outside the nucleus. Electrons carry negative charge and they are arranged in different energy levels, and these energy levels are called orbit, shell, and simply they are in circular shape. And in these orbit or shell, electrons are arranged by a formula, that is 2n square formula. By obeying this 2n square formula, electrons are accommodating in different shells or energy level. That is, if we see the first shell contains maximum 2 electrons. By obeying this formula, that is 2n is the number of shell, so first shell contains 2 electrons. Similarly, second shell contains 8 electrons. By obeying this formula, that is n, here the n is 2, so the second shell contains 8 electrons. Now the question is that are these electrons are repelling each other in the shell? That is, question is that electrons repulse each other? The answer is that no, because we can see here there are different energy level or shell. That is, the first shell, which is represented by K, shell. The second shell is represented by L shell, and similarly, if the third shell, they are represented by M shell. And if we go higher and higher shell, the energy of the shell are increasing. So due to these shell, electrons minimize their repulsion. So these shell reduce the repulsion of the electron outside the nucleus. Now we will summarize all these. That atom made up of 3 fundamental particles: electron, proton and neutron. Proton and neutron are present in the nucleus. Electrons are present outside the nucleus, and different shells are energy level. Proton carry positive charge, neutron is is neutral. Electron carry negative charge. There is no repulsion among the protons in the nucleus due to the presence of neutron among the protons. Similarly, there is no repulsion between the electron due to the presence of shell or energy level. And lastly, attractive force present between the proton and electron. This attractive force is called electrostatic force. Which keeps the electron in the shells. So this electrostatic force keeps the electrons in different shells. That's for all today, the learners. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and fellows. Thanks for watching.